So here we're doing the fuel injectors on a 2.0 14 Ford Focus, 2.0 Ford Focus. First thing I did was unclip all of these. Next thing I clipped was this into the intake box. Unclipped that, unclipped another sensor that was connected there. This bad boy. Took out the intake box, sitting down there. Took out the throttle body. It was sitting right here. A couple of 8 mils. Intake manifold itself, 10 mil here, 10 mil here, 10 mil down there, 10 mil down there, and then another 10 mil right over there. Cool, it's loose. Then you got this sensor over here connected to this. Took that out. Great. You go into the car, you got this sensor, and you got that sensor. This goes to this. The bent one goes to this. Then you have this 10 millimeter right there. I got this sensor and I got this sensor now. Come on. After all these, you essentially have one more hose to take off that's below the intake manifold. You can't see it through here, but you can see me trying to take it off. I didn't realize it was still connected. Pretty much is just clamp on the clips with your hand, and you got to just pry it off with force. And right where I'm holding the intake manifold right there is right below that, parallel right below that. So pretty much you take that off, and then you have the whole everything off the intake manifold. So in the fuel rail, you got this bad boy. Pull down on it. 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil, 10 mil.
Yeah, I don't know how people do that.
So I got these fuel injectors off of Amazon, set of 4, $100. Good deal. Fuel injectors are in the fuel rail. I'll drop the link of the fuel injectors down in the description below. I'll drop my TikTok down in the description down below. If you have any questions on anything you're stuck while you're doing this, just reach out to me, message me. I'll try to help you any way I can. Meanwhile, also hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment if you have any input, any questions. Again, this is out of a garage, made do with any tools I got. Just trying to show you guys what needs to be done to take it off. I didn't find any videos myself online, and here's one of it with the 2.0 Ford Focus engine.